This is you. Let's say you're at 25% to 30% body fat. And here's everyone else, also at 25% to 30% body fat. However, your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to get in better shape than 95% of the population. With that said, where do you start? First and foremost, create a body dashboard. Imagine this as your personal fitness report card, a comprehensive system to track your progress and guide your decisions. Just as you wouldn't drive a car without checking its dashboard, you shouldn't navigate your fitness journey without monitoring your body. Regularly track key metrics like weight, body measurements, and progress photos to get a clear picture of your status. However, avoid getting bogged down by daily fluctuations. Weight can vary due to water retention, muscle gain, and even the time of the day. Focus instead on the overall trends observed over weeks and months. This perspective will reveal whether you're moving towards your goals or if adjustments are necessary. A body dashboard helps you take control of your fitness journey by highlighting what's working and what needs tweaking. It's a powerful tool for accountability and motivation, keeping you on track for long-term success. Next, let's address the importance of understanding true cost of food. And I'm not referring to the price tag at the store. Every bite you take has a cost in terms of calories, macronutrients, and micronutrients. Many so-called healthy foods are actually loaded with hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and empty calories. Next time you're shopping, scrutinize the ingredient list. If it resembles a chemistry experiment, that's a red flag. Educate yourself about what's really in your food by reading labels and using tracking apps. It's not about being obsessive, it's about being informed. When you know what's in your food, you can make better choices that align with your goals. For instance, you might be shocked at the calorie content of a seemingly innocent salad dressing or granola bar. By increasing your awareness, you can avoid common pitfalls and create meals that are both satisfying and supportive of your health and fitness objectives. Tip number 3. Focus on the gym. This may seem obvious, but it's worth emphasizing. It's not about how long you spend at the gym, it's about the quality and intensity of your workouts. You've probably seen people at the gym who wander aimlessly, chat excessively, and barely break a sweat. Avoid being that person. When you're in the gym, make every minute count. Prioritize compound movements such as squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows. These exercises engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, providing efficiency and effectiveness. They stimulate muscle growth and boost your metabolism. Remember, form is paramount. Start with lighter weights to perfect your technique, then gradually increase the load as you build strength. This approach reduces the risk of injury and ensures you target the correct muscles. Additionally, vary your routine to keep your body guessing and prevent plateaus. Incorporating different exercises, rep ranges, and rest periods can keep your workouts both challenging and effective. Let's talk about diet. 99% of your nutrients should come from single-ingredient nutrient-dense foods. These include vegetables, fruits, lean meats, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Single-ingredient foods are naturally rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They are also lower in calories and free from additives, preservatives, and unhealthy fats found in processed foods. Why is this important? Single-ingredient foods are less calorie-dense, allowing you to eat larger portions while consuming fewer calories. This makes it easier to maintain a healthy weight or create a calorie deficit for fat loss. Additionally, these foods provide essential nutrients that support your immune system, cognitive function, and energy levels. Aim for a colorful plate to ensure a variety of nutrients. Different colors often represent different antioxidants and phytonutrients. By focusing on nutrient-dense options, you'll enhance your overall health and support your performance in the gym. Next, eating habits. Find your window of eating. This doesn't mean you have to adopt a strict intermittent fasting regimen, but limiting your eating hours can have a significant impact. Whether you choose a 12-hour, 10-hour, or 8-hour window, this approach helps naturally regulate calorie intake and gives your body a break from constant digestion. This can improve insulin sensitivity, support fat loss, and enhance digestion. Choose a window that fits your lifestyle. If you enjoy breakfast, perhaps your window is from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. If you prefer, to skip breakfast, you might eat between noon and 8 p.m. The flexibility of this approach allows you to find what works best for you, making it easier to maintain in the long term. Focus on consuming whole nutrient-dense foods within your eating window to keep you full and energized. Let's move on to daily movement. Incorporate some form of movement. This doesn't have to be a formal exercise. Consistent daily movement is crucial, whether it's a brisk walk, a bike ride, stretching, or simply standing up and moving around. These actions keep your metabolism active and counteract the effects of prolonged sitting. Research shows that prolonged sitting can be detrimental to your health, even if you exercise regularly. Make it a habit to move throughout the day. If you have a sedentary job, set reminders to stand up and stretch every hour. Take the stairs, park farther away, or take a walk during your lunch break. These seemingly minor habits accumulate over time and significantly impact your overall health and fitness. Let's not overlook the importance of hydration. Prioritize hydration. Water is vital for every bodily function, from digestion to muscle function and cognitive performance. Aim to drink half of your body weight in ounces of water each day. Staying hydrated helps control appetite, stabilize energy levels, and slightly boost metabolism. While water should be your primary source of hydration, herbal teas or infused water can add variety. However, be cautious of sugary drinks, energy drinks, and excessive caffeine, which can dehydrate you and add unnecessary calories. If you struggle with hydration, carry a reusable bottle. Set phone reminders or infuse your water with fruits like lemon, cucumber, or berries for extra flavor. These small changes can greatly enhance your hydration and support your overall health and fitness goals. Next, let's address your relationship with food. Learn to eat for nourishment rather than comfort or habit. Emotional eating is a common challenge, especially in today's fast-paced world. We often turn to food for comfort, stress relief, or rewards, leading to unhealthy eating patterns. Start by tuning into your hunger cues. Ask yourself if you're truly hungry or eating out of boredom or emotion. The practice, known as mindful eating, helps develop a healthier relationship with food. Consider keeping a food journal to track what you eat and how you feel. This can help identify triggers for emotional eating and develop healthier coping strategies. The goal is to eat for health and satisfaction, not out of habit or emotion. And as this is a must, consider quitting alcohol. Alcohol can undermine your fitness goals in several ways. It's high in empty calories and can disrupt sleep, affecting recovery and performance. Reducing or eliminating alcohol can enhance energy levels, sleep quality, and overall health. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation and be mindful of its impact on your fitness journey. Most important, find your why. Identify your core reason for pursuing fitness, whether it's to boost energy, improve health, or enhance confidence. A clear personal reason will keep you motivated and committed. Reflect on what drives you and let that be your guiding force. A strong sense of purpose will help you stay on track even when motivation wanes. And prepare for the long term. Fitness is a long-term commitment, not a quick fix. Set realistic goals and create a sustainable plan. Focus on building habits that you can maintain over time. Celebrate your progress and adjust your plan as needed. Embrace the journey, understanding that consistent, gradual improvements lead to lasting results. Fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Now, if you are over 40, I highly suggest that you give this video a watch next for an exercise to help you speed up the fat loss process, or this video.